Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the anatomy of pelvis and some simple ways to draw it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you all know, this complex shape is called the pelvis. First, let's understand the anatomy of pelvis. The pelvis is made up of three major bones. The first one is ilium. These two wing-like structures are called the ilium. If we see the pelvis from the side, the ilium looks like a half circle. The part that visible on the surface is known as iliac crest. The front starting point of the iliac crest is known as ASIS or anterior superior iliac spine. From the back, the point where the iliac crest ends is known as the PCIS or posterior superior iliac spine. Usually the male pelvis has a more angular and pointed structure, while the female is generally more curved and rounded. The next part is pubic. The pubic bone from the both sides meet at the pubic symphysis. This small structure in the front is called the pubic symphysis. The pubic symphysis is approximately at the same level as the tailbone. In males, the pubic symphysis is more closely aligned with the ASIS, while in the female, ASIS is positioned slightly more forward relative to the pubic symphysis. Finally, the last part is the ischium. This forms the lower part of the pelvis. The distance between the ischia is generally wider in female than the males. In males, the angle between the ischia is usually around 90 degrees, while in the female it's wider, usually around 120 degrees. And you might also be notice a socket, and this is where the femur bone attaches. So now let's draw the pelvis using some simple shapes. And that's it guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you and see you in the next video. Take care.